Hi everyone! Welcome sa aking channel. For this video series ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng mga related rates problems. Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Ang ating example number 5 naman, or sample problem para sa ating related rates problem is about the volume of a sphere. So sabi ng ating example number 5, a spherical balloon is being inflated at the rate of 350 cubic centimeter per minute. So on this situation, the question is, how fast is the radius of the balloon increasing when the radius is 5 centimeter? So basically, ang tinatanong dito is, habang nag-i-increase yung volume ng sphere, paano naman nag-i-increase yung radius? Through illustration, halimbawa, meron tayong spherical balloon. Ayan. Tapos kung titignan natin yung kanyang cross-section, meron tayong below, and then nandyan yung radius. So habang nag-i-increase yung volume ng sphere, of course, nag-i-increase din yung ating measurement ng radius. So yun ang isa-solve natin. So punta na tayo sa ating step number 1. So we're going to define the variables and the unknown quantity. So ito ulit yung ating illustration. So basically, it's about a sphere, volume of a sphere. So usually, ang ating nire-represent na variables dyan is, una, of course, yung small r. R is the radius of the sphere. Sa ating problem, it is given as 5 cm. And then yung isa pang quantity is letter V, because it is the volume of the sphere. So basically, dalawa lang yung ating variable sa problem. We're talking about volume of the sphere. So, pagdating naman sa unknown quantity, since given tayo ng increasing rate ng volume, so that is 350 cubic centimeter per minute, that is denoted by dV over dt. Ayan. So, yan ang increase ng volume. Ano naman ang rate of increase ng radius? With respect to time, kaya siya dr over dt. So, to solve our unknown, proceed tayo sa step number 2. Determine the formula relating the variables, then do implicit differentiation with respect to time. Again, ang formula natin is kailangan para sa volume of a sphere. And we all know na sa geometry, ang formula natin dyan is the volume of the sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So dalawa lang ang variables natin dito, v at saka r, kasi yung ating pi is a constant number. So, mag-proceed na tayo sa implicit differentiation with respect to time. Yung letter V natin, pag kinuha natin ang derivative with respect to time, siya ay dV over dt. And then dito sa kanan ng equation, since r lang yung i-differentiate natin with respect to time, magkakaroon niya ng dr over dt. Pero etong ating constant, since constant yan, hindi ibig sabihin na pag kinuha natin derivative ng buong ito ay magzi-zero yan. Hindi. Kasi ito ay constant na coefficient ng r. Kaya ang mangyayari ay mare-retain yung ating 4 over 3 pi. Then, ang derivative ng r cube ay 3r squared. So, 4 over 3 pi times 3r squared dr over dt. Now, kailangan natin i-simplify pa to kasi 4 over 3 times 3 is 4 na lang. So, magiging 4 pi r squared. So we have dV over dt is equal to 4 pi r squared dr over dt. So ito na yung ating implicit differentiation na gagamitin natin ngayon sa step number 3. Ang ating step number 3 is isa-substitute na natin yung value ng r, which is 5 cm, at yung increasing rate ng volume, dV over dt, which is 350 cubic centimeter per minute. Ito ulit yung nakuha nating implicit differentiation. Ito ay papalitan o isa-substitute natin yung 350. Dito naman ang isa-substitute natin ay yung value ng r. So we have 350 is equal to 4 pi, then 5 squared dr over dt. Simplify pa natin to. Itong 5 squared ay 25 times 4 is equal to 100. So ito ngayon ay magiging 350 is equal to 100 pi dr over dt. So to isolate yung ating dr over dt, which is the unknown, kailangan i-divide natin both sides by 100 pi. So ito ngayon, 100 pi divided by 100 pi, ang matitira na lang ay dr over dt is equal to 350 over 100 pi. Ayan. So lagyan natin siya ng unit. Yung ating 350 ay cubic centimeter per minute. Ang ating namang 100 pi ay centimeter squared. Kasi nanggaling siya sa radius na centimeter, tapos in-squared, kaya naging centimeter squared. Now, ang sagot dito ay magiging 350 divided by 100 pi is approximately 1.114 centimeter per minute. So, centimeter per minute na lang siya kasi cubic centimeter divided by centimeter squared is centimeter. And that is the unit of dr over dt. So, ito na yung sagot sa ating tanong, gaano ang increase ng radius? The answer is, the radius of the spherical balloon, is increasing at the rate of 1.114 centimeter per minute. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share. Then pakipollow na rin po ako sa aking mga social media accounts. Thank you!